Conjugation of the verb to make. 1. Simple present, I make. 2. Simple past, I made. 3. Simple future, I will make. 4. Present continuous, I am making. 5. Past continuous, I was making. 6. Future continuous, I will be making. 7. Present perfect, I have made. 8. Past perfect, I have made. 9. Future perfect, I will have made. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been making. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been making. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been making. Conjugation of the verb to make. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it makes. 2. Simple past. He, she or it made. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will make. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is making. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was making. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be making. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has made. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had made. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have made. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been making. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been making. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been making. Conjugation of the verb to make. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they make. 2. Simple past. You, we or they made. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will make. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are making. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were making. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be making. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have made. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had made. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have made. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been making. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been making. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been making. Verb forms. Verb to make. Present simple I, you, we, they make. He, she, it makes. Past simple made. Past participle made. Ing form making.